how to make machining a little easier. All the necessary hardware comes in this package. It includes the socket button head caps, and we are going to mount it right here on the left hand side of the RAM. The holes are going to be placed 1 inch apart. The center of the elongated holes on the mount are 1 inch apart, so just tap and drill for that. That plastic cap is going to snap on that hex bolt on top. Some users also place it under the Bridgeport sign. It's going to fit both of those. And then just simply twist the arm, the long arms, one to the right and one to the left in that order as is seen on the video. It's just a more natural way for the lights to bend. And as you can see, they are pretty sturdy and long arms, so wherever you place them, they're just gonna stay there. You can easily bend them, and no vibration and shake is going to move those lights. Important features: the lights are LEDs, so they're not putting out heat, not much at all. The long light arms are not in the way of the quill handle, so whenever you're operating it, moving it up and down, you're not going to bump into it. This is how you can turn your old machine into something more user-friendly, so you don't just look, but you can actually see what you're machining. For any questions, just reach out to us at Babin Machine Sales. I hope to hear from you.